Whole heap of them want this sing a berry. And if he come to the test, me I go kill a friend. I rather them than me, can't kill me so easy. Them just kill my friend now when them want to me. Out of bed, no see nobody fi argue with. Kid can't take me 3 pints, no LeBron James this. It don't know hard for them keep up. Me I go hard on my song, them a creep up.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. By now, everybody is well aware of how serious the situation with Jahshii is and also how much his life is in danger. But as you based on them information and them update what me I get, what me I go share with you right now, believe me, this situation with Jahshii is way more serious than we think. As much as we see him vehicle get can up, get spray up, and everybody feel like say, yo, it cannot get any worse, and this, may I tell you, it is way more extreme than what meets the eye, and that we are going to talk about. But before me go further in the details and give you all them updated information I have, me I go ask you for do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. When you reach this far, please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. Alright, so Jahshii, him one of the fast rising dancehall superstar we have right now in the industry. And I say one of, because him are not the only one. Him have whole heap of big song, whole heap of viral song. But there is this specific interview where him do with Anthony Miller that went viral, and that interview was the real thing we put Jahshii under the microscope, not just for the gangsters, not just for the police, but also his fans, also the audience, also the people them we are consume in music. The very moment that interview was aired on television, that was the time when the real trouble for this youth actually started. Every second you hear a police will lamp on him. At one point you have to wonder if at the next family the man can't get figure perform on a show, police a lock off show, them a take him off one whole heap of thing. And you don't know say once them they are gone, it a go affect bookings for the artist. Because if me is a promoter and me see say every minute you get booked for your show, is either police will come take you off and you are headline and you are pull the crowd, or is either police will come lock off the show. That now good for me. Me not go make no money, because by the time you go up on stage, the show go done. So right there, so me not go book you. So as I say, that was when the real problem for Jahshii actually started. Now fast forward to Friday we gone. We see which part the man them step to him wicked and take it to him brawling in the street, and me I tell you, him narrowly escaped. And since that incident, everybody a link it to a previous incident where happened in a Grand Spain, in which another person actually lose them life. So quick and fast, everybody are fling it around the air. So in fact, the news media actually put it out. There was an incident with Jahshii Mada and another man. Some confrontation go on. Jahshii actually stepped to the youth. Shortly after that, yo, somebody got take out the youth. So because of that, everybody are linked this incident with Jahshii to that previous incident. But listen to what them never tell no. Listen to what them never actually make uno know, or them probably a try hide from uno. Pre this, them say minutes before Jahshii and him entourage depart from the venue, Jahshii decides to watch him a go change vehicle, and the vehicle where most are the rest of entourage member them did him never in that vehicle there. That are the initial report that we get. But really and truly, is that the case? Right now, we don't really know 100%, because in that same interview, the police will actually speak on the matter. The police will actually tell Jahshii say, yo, them need to talk to him. Him claim say Jahshii never get touched, but based on what he must say, Jahshii run away from the vehicle. So that a one part of me not understand. As I say, it in the year say him change vehicle, and it also in the year say yo him never change vehicle. Him just decide say yo him will take away himself. But regardless of the situation, if it's a case where Jahshii did actually change vehicle, me I try wonder, did he know say yo, them half time. Well, automatically him know say people half time. But did he know at that moment say yo, them a go step to him? Or is just a case where yo, him a try play it safe and this I say watch ya, chess move. Cause me I tell you, if it's a case where you really change vehicle and this happen, yo, you see any side him sleep on the day before that, sleep on it for rest of him life. And for years the Jahshii get attacked like that. Yo, I know not normal. Jahshii a little boy, little youth in the industry. For people have stepped to them where they. This is the first me actually see them step to a dancehall artist like that. Never before. Yes, them running pan dancehall artists and take them out of the land of the living. But you see that step in there, I know a normal step in. Tell me, I tell no that. And as well, me say, for years, so them step to him bad enough. It is probably the worst thing we can hear about. But you see what makes it worse? Upon the man birthday, you know, upon the man birthday, which show me say, you see, anybody will do this, them plan this to the T. Me know say them could have stepped to him already. Me know say them could have run in wicked, but them actually wait until the man birthday. Yo, you see that messenger where the man them did a try to send. Yo, one of the wickedest message a person can ever send. And as well me say in the first report me do, me glad say the artist make it out alive. And me glad say if rest of members from him entourage actually make it out alive too. Cause yo, which part Jamaica there, we no want for years say another man jump out because of violence. And because of the steppings that we go on, everybody, as we say earlier, I link it to the previous incident where in a grand span with Jahshii Mada and the alleged person will actually get taken out after the alleged incident. Now, what a lot of people now look onto, you know, you see, this can be the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity for some real enemies with Jahshii have out there. So just imagine, him have him enemy out there and they want to take him out. But everybody knows say, yo, Jahshii and that person are in a things. So if them go someone running pan him and anything happen, who you feel like the police are go roll on pan? The same people them where them know say inner things with Jahshii. So when them actually get a better motive, you know say yo Jahshii and another man inner things, the man actually lose him life. And then for years the man brother decides to watch no matter what, him have to get revenge. Them man ya can decide say alright, perfect opportunity. Really and truly, this probably not have nothing to do with the previous incident where the youth drop out. Again, it probably not have nothing to do with it. The youth brother right now probably I look pan and say, yo, look on put myself in a problem. Just because me vote say, watch me have to take out the youth and now somebody else running pan him. And yes, it's just like in a top shatters when Dangles did get take out and Teddy Brock shutter make them know. So watch them man they a gangster. Them man they basically they on any side. So yeah what? I can't anybody brush him. You see in a Jahshii situation, I can't anybody step off time because words on the street heavily is that Jahshii up a grand spend a go on like say Mada. Jahshii actually up a grand spend a fight for danship. That our whole heap of people have in the ear a swing round, whether it is rumor or whether it is true, as we may say, it out there. So when a young youth like Jahshii now step up, start make some money, and if it's true, say yo, him a go on like say Mada or want try run for danship. Nobody feel like say the long time gangster them were in at the place where probably at the Dan or a go on like say or want to be the Dan. Them now go take it lightly and things and time change. Every man can buy them one a machine. Nobody now have to depend on nobody again. With simple means, no matter who you be, them now go afraid for running pan you. And yes, one of the next wickedest thing, all if Jahshii up there and no business with nobody, you know, no business with nothing when it come on to danship, you know. You see, once you start spend some money with the youths them around you, automatically more youths are gonna start forward around you. And yes, when that start happen, everybody are gonna start label as a dan. Everybody are gonna start brand new as a dan. Most dancehall artists, them get them title there. All when them not have nothing to do with no form of illegal activities in a them community or in a them area. But just because couple extra man start roll with them and them probably start buy this and that for them, people I go start call them done. That stigma there, I go dip on them. And for a youth like Jahshii who are forward out of the garrison, yo, may I tell you, it is not easy. Most man who forward in the garrison, forward from out of the garrison, believe me, them can tell you say it easier for them in the garrison when them no really have nothing than when they make it out. Can't miss this. Jahshii now as a little youth, make it out. There's a high possibility say, yo, man, I go approach him in the community and say, yo, buy this for we, buy that for we. Now, what if Jahshii decides say, no, me no depend that. We feel like say, them more preem, them more have midzana say, yo, them youth start make money now and them switch. And not only say, yo, them a preem, them more want take him out because them more look pan say, yo, the way how them want to benefit from his earnings, him not, hey, what make you feel like say Silbas got Portmore get backs up wicked. And them same thing, yeah. And them same thing and the man them run the based on information is that they want him arms them up and him decide. So watch you know, me no depend that. You see what me I say? So I saw them things that go when you are garrison youth and you make it out, believe me, it hard. Once you make it out, you better you just leave and just stay out. And Jahshii are one of them. We clearly you can see say your grandspend away him out there and him can't grow or live without not knowing. So watch you know, he move out from Grandspend. Whether him not live there, but I don't know I'm based that him there often. And them things I go always be a problem. So know that this happen, may I tell you, and Jahshii know that too. His life will never in a this world be the same. You ever hear them talk about paranoid or paranoia? And no nothing normal that me can tell you. And right now, me no feel like say for the rest of Jahshii life, him a go able for not being paranoid. Yo, and a normal trauma this, you know. And a normal trauma this, and not just Jahshii, but also members of his entourage. Because as I say, the artist him walk with scratch free. But remember, 6 members of his entourage were sprayed with bullet. Them pick up injuries and they are hospital. Some of them up until right now. But the sad part of all of this is that just know say you see that family situation there where did that go on when no bookings now come in because every minute police come take him off for sure. Yo, me I tell no. Jahshii mother did forward out in the interview what there, you know, when she had denied everything, you know, and that is something where she mentioned the rumors out there were surround Jahshii. Them things are stop him food, are stop him bread. Promoter nah book him. Promoter where did book him a cancel show, a scratch him from show. Know that this happen, me I tell you, it will get worse. So only hope say all of the money when make ready, him put it to use, invest it, do whatever I want to do, so that him can flip it. Because yo, me I tell you, not to say him now get no bookings all together, but just know say bookings definitely a go drop. Cause personally speaking, based on say the fact say me want to make sure say my patrons them safe. If me I will keep a party right now, why would I book Jahshii when something like this happen? Me have to wait and see say yo, everything get clear up. And speaking of that, Mr. Wishpart him lawyer come out, I think was it today, put out a statement and basically him don't like the way how the police them announce say them need to speak to Jahshii. Which to me it not really make no sense. But me do understand what I say. The police them can get to his lawyer or them can get to him. So if he come out publicly like say yo him a hide, which well probably that a go on, but either way, them never did have to come out that way there. And the next thing too, me see Jahshii drop a song what day. I think it was the day before the incident. Him drop a song and him basically did a talk about the rumors them were out there when the media put out. Know that this happened. Me see him drop a next song. Which that's how we artists always do. Capitalize on the moment. But yo, especially the last one is so quick, we just feel like say yo Jahshii a joke out everything. And him need to take it serious. Cause yo, based on what me see, the man them nah joke. And as what me say, Jahshii a good artist. Whole heap of rumors out there whether people want to say I'm a Dan or I'm a this or I'm a that, you know. I don't know. I cannot confirm or deny. But what me can say is a good artist and is probably one of my favorite young artists where music is concerned. So me just want to know say yo the artist keep him head focused on him body and make sure say yo him protect himself and watch his street. Me not gonna spend no more time on this, but as I say, Jahshii are one of my favorite young artists. So here what, just a little advice. Make sure say you move your mother from outer grand spend. You see me? Yes, she might not want to move cause them things happen all the while. But yo, because of safety reasons, not just for you, but also for your mother. Yo, move her out. And next thing, we all know, yeah, make good money, yeah, artists. Yo, get some armed security guards. Because you see, if you did a roll in from the party there with probably at least one armed security guard, yo, this thing would have turned out different. And also, it would have turned out different in your favor. Who knows? Maybe they would have fire back and can up one of them. And then they would have see and find out who exactly they behind all of this. Because right now, are just speculations. So, yo, make sure say you get armed securities. It no make no sense to roll with one bag of man which just a tough up them face and this and that. And at the end of the day, them not even can defend themselves, much less we defend you. And me I talk about the legal way. Because obviously, them never have nothing not even illegal. Look like not even like a pocket knife, them never have on them. So as I say, get yourself armed security. Your life worth way more than that. So even if you have to go dig deeper in your pocket, do it youth. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please me ask you, left on thought down below in the comment section. I really want to hear one thing about this situation. You feel like say all of this will happen Friday with Jahshii. Them actually try to take him out on his birthday. You feel like say it linked to the previous incident where the brother when he and Romy get take out, or you feel like say it's just him enemies from a different incident, a different situation where decide say alright, them will capitalize on the moment. Tell me down below in the comment section, and please remember, like this video. Bless up.
It a go hard for them keep up. Me a go hard, I'm a song, them a creep up. For